Hello everybody. I have exciting news for you. So after 1.5 years of no personal meetings, I am extremely excited to invite you to the most influential show in UK, the TCT 360. It's very significant even for me because this year our partner Matsuura Machinery UK will present something really special.
Matsuura are really looking forward to our first live event for 2 years. We are going to TCT 360. We're taking the Multi-Jet Fusion 5200 complete workflow. We're going to be printing, we're going to be unpacking, we're going to have the DyeMansion workflow with us. So we're going to be cleaning those parts, we're going to be polishing those die parts, we're going to turn them into high value end use parts. And we're really looking forward to welcoming you to TCT 360, booth D11.